3 News Now is looking at ways to help you overcome the effects of the pandemic and rebound from them. All this week, we look at mental health issues that impact our communities. Schools have been challenged since day one of the pandemic, with remote learning, changing schedules, and safety concerns for students and teachers. Our 3 News Now reporter, Daniel Davis, has more on an upcoming conference aimed at giving educators the mental health assistance they need to push forward.
The Nebraska School Mental Health Conference will be virtual this year due to COVID. It focuses on helping those who help our kids.
Just really getting them through after a crisis and how to just be resilient and help themselves through this, because while it's been difficult for the students, it's been very difficult for those trying to teach them as well.
The conference is for all education stakeholders. That means counselors, psychologists, administrators, and school board members. It also includes legislature, school nurses, private providers, parents, as well as our kids.
How people can move forward now that we have, we can see some light at the end of the tunnel, but it's been a very challenging year, and so we want to provide them some tools to make sure that they come out in a great place for this, helping our youth.
There will be 3 nationally acclaimed keynote speakers and more than 50 breakout sessions hosted by experts from across the state. They represent urban as well as rural areas to give tips, tools, and share best practices.
Students are at school sometimes more than they're at home, and so if we can reach those kiddos while they're there in the schools, providing them services, removing those barriers to and to access to the mental health care, that's just such a crucial part.
Haben Straight adds that while a lot of attention is being paid to physical health, a person can't be healthy if they are not mentally well. In Omaha, Danielle Davis, 3 News Now.
The cost for the 2-day conference is just $50. It takes place June 2nd and 3rd. More information can be found at kimfoundation.org.